Well, good morning, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed those first few clips of the brother-in-law and myself getting out and getting on one of the northwestern lakes here. We had the lake to ourselves, so it was a real calming, peaceful day. But I just wanted to thank everyone for watching that last review video. I know it's not everybody's favorite cup of tea. I don't make a whole lot of money doing YouTube. It's more of a hobby, and it probably always will be. It's a way to generate interest from me and to get a few products every now and then from some of these manufacturers as some sort of payment. Again, I just wanted to thank everyone for watching that last review video. There'll be more coming up. I'm going to try to keep the review videos on Wednesdays and then do the cabin videos on Sundays so I don't alienate everyone. Okay guys, I'm still using this Affery power station, this 1200 watt power station for screwing off and roto zipping out openings and such, plus for the lights, so seem to be working pretty good. Not a fan of hanging sheetrock like this, but I wanted to keep it tight up against the lid of the loft here.
These roto zips sure are handy tools, but as you'll see in the next clip, you can get a little carried away with them. As you may see, the bit followed along the bottom of the header to the king stud instead of the jack or cripple stud.
These cutoffs always work out nice for filling in little chunks and pieces. And this is a toe kick. These always work nice for lifting the sheets up so you're not trying to hold them up in the air while screwing them off. Now, because I didn't put nail guards in front of those water lines, I'm just going to give myself a 8-inch clearance rate on the sheet, 35, and we'll put no screws. I forgot them at the hardware store the other day, so, and I'm not running all the way back there just for, 6 studs. So I poked those water lines through the holes I just cut in. So then I slide my toe kick underneath the sheet, and it just rocks on a pivot point, and then you just put pressure on your heel and it lifts the sheet up. Okay, before I go any further there, I'm going to cut them boxes out, otherwise I'm just going to bust through the paper on all them. So hook up the roto zip again. The tool makes it definitely easier than trying to cut out every one of them with a knife blade. And they make all these in cordless now, including the screwdriver. Alright guys, I had to get the 12-foot ladder back in here, because obviously it's a bit of a climb up. So this is what I've gotten done on the drywall so far. As I can, I'll put some more up.
And because it was a beautiful 80-degree day, I figured I may as well load the roof and shingle the storage shed.
There we go guys, one side done. And there's the garden in its beautiful greenery. Anyhow, one more side. Well, one more chore off the list of things to do. The roof is now on the shed. Boy, am I glad. Well guys, now that I got the roof on and everything, we're going to call the storage shed a completion. Although I do have to stain it, but that'll be at the same time I stain the cabin. So this side I got my Broncos or workhorses and my fiberglass extension. Then on this side I got my 16-foot planks, and my 32-foot aluminum ladder. But anyhow, it was a nice place to hang everything and keep it out of the grass and out of the dirt. But I think this is going to be a wrap for this video. I will continue working on drywall throughout the week, hopefully, and get something out next week for you. Just a reminder, Wednesdays will be another review video more than likely. I apologize in advance because I know how much everybody hates those. But it's just a part of the game. But anyhow, I hope everybody takes care and stays safe out there, and we will see you in the next video.